Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable or disable Gmail desktop notifications. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Gmail, click on the setting icon and select see all settings. In here you just need to scroll down, desktop notifications. You can enable new mail notification on. Notify me when any new message arrives in my inbox or primary tab. Or you can also select important mail notification on. Notify me only when an important message arrives in my inbox. Or you can also turn off the mail notification off. Here are the options, guys. Mail notification sounds. You can select a different sound by your preferences, and after changing changes you just need to scroll down and select save changes, and that's all you have to do it, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.